In a world where first impressions matter more than ever, car unveilings or teaser reveals must evolve beyond traditional static presentation. Enter the world of 3D motion graphics, an innovative tool that transforms mundane teasers into captivating experiences. By integrating dynamic storytelling, immersive visuals, and interactive features, car brands can shape how they connect with their audience. Let's explore how 3D motion is reshaping the future of car unveiling. Enter 3D motion graphics and the dynamic tool that transforms ordinary reveals into immersive, interactive experiences. By embracing this technology, car brands can captivate their audience, creating moments that resonate and stays in the memory long after the event ends. I'm Shulida, and let's dive deeper into how 3D motion graphics are redefining the future of car unveiling. Dynamic visual storytelling brings design to life with animation. Traditional unveilings focus on showcasing the car, but 3D motion graphics take it a step further by telling a story. With carefully crafted animations, brands can illustrate the thought process behind the vehicle's design, technology, and features. Imagine showcasing the car's sleek line flowing from designer's vision or the intricate engineering that went into creating its safety system. Every detail can come alive, leaving the audience with a deeper emotional connection to the product. The point is to create connect, and the idea should resonate with the audience. Immersive virtual experiences. Stock car in augmented reality. Imagine being able to step into a car before it even hits the showroom floor. 3D motion graphics can take our teasers into augmented and virtual reality, giving potential customers the opportunity to explore features through interactive 3D models or even take a virtual test drive. Unimaginable. Now, through augmented reality, viewers can see the car in their own surroundings, whether in their driveway or on the street, creating a unique, personalized experience that traditional methods can't even match. 360-degree visualization. Engage cars with through 360 views, 3D motion graphics. A 360-degree view is just the beginning. These animations allow users to engage with the car from all angles, highlighting both its exteriors and interior design. Zooming in on small, intricate details like the stitching on the leather seats, the layout of the dashboard, or the innovative technologies under the hood provides a detailed look at the vehicle that static images simply cannot convey. Now, such visualizations help to register the ideas just watch. Now, in an era of digital talk, the static presentation in the past are no longer enough. Now, car brands that embrace 3D motion graphics plan to create compelling, visually stunning, and immersive experiences that drive deeper engagement with the audience. But the future of car reveals is interactive, very exciting and dynamic, an evolution that aligns with the growing demand for more innovative digital content and a sneak peek into your favorite dream car or the bike. Now, do you think 3D motion graphics could be the key to truly revolutionizing how cars are presented? I'm excited to hear your thoughts.